At number 1, we have the Iron Flask Co-Pilot. This is the best travel mug you can buy on the market and excels at temperature retention, keeping drinks cold for up to 24 hours and hot for up to 5 hours through its double-walled vacuum insulation. The tumbler is constructed from premium 8 stainless steel, making it BPA-free and non-toxic, ensuring drinks remain free from metallic tastes and rust. Its durability is enhanced by a powder-coated exterior finish that provides a sweat-free, damage-resistant surface and a rubber bottom that offers both noise reduction and non-slip stability. The Co-Pilot comes with 2 versatile lids, a splash-proof straw lid with included straws and a 100% leak-proof flip lid, making it adaptable for both hot and cold beverages. The design is thoughtfully engineered to fit standard cup holders, ideal for daily commutes or travel. For maintenance, hand washing with soapy hot water is recommended to preserve the tumbler's integrity. What sets this tumbler apart is its practical combination of features. The leak-proof design prevents spills, the powder coating provides a secure grip, and the double-wall construction eliminates condensation. The included straw option allows for convenient sipping without tilting, particularly useful while driving or multitasking. As a reusable container, it serves as an environmentally conscious choice for daily hydration needs while maintaining beverage quality throughout extended use. So that sums up my